आज हम शुरू करने वाले थे चैप्टर 3 इंडेक्स ग्रुप बुक क्लास 8 मेजर सम द टेल ऑफ मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा एंड द बैटल ऑफ पहलगाम। इस पेज से शुरू हो रहा है, उसका शुरू करते हैं। ट्रिब्यूट ऑफ वैलेंट मेजर सोमनाथ शर्मा इंडियस represented Paran Veer Chakra, whose name is Echad and beacon of inspiration for generation at every intersection of better through national memory, so string patriotic songs, books, and stories recounting acts and whether the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. His memory is honored. Page Somnath Sharma legacy, courage and devotees that our nation remains forever alive. Forever alive reminders us of ultimate price paid for our freedom. This ran Kashmir Valley of shadows and majesty. Himalayas witness a tale of extraordinary heroism and the sacrifice to protect integrity of Indian borders. The day began with a silence of cold November dawn, but ended with each courage and serve as inspiration for generations to come. The story of Major Somnath Sharma and the brave men that he led on mission to protect Srinagar airport from falling into the hands of guerrilla force trained and backed by Pakistan. This is the story of 90 men managed foil in the plan of 500 infiltrators who wanted to capture Srinagar and the Kashmir Valley and deliver a blow near the independent India. That event that led to the Battle of Pahalgam started in August 1947 when Pakistan launched Operation to annex the Kashmir Valley. This was a violation of existing agreement with Hari Singh and Maharaja Jammu and Kashmir, who had committed Pakistan not to attack the state. However, instead of honoring the commitment, the Pakistani army trained the combat around 1,000 invaders who possessed deep knowledge of mountain passes and the local terrain enter Kashmir and control state location including the Srinagar airport and the Kashmir. The plan was engineered to represent Kashmir overthrow the government and capture the territory. If they had succeeded, it could have allowed them to control static mountain passes, peaks, and river on 22 October. Operation Gulmarg was launched, and these infiltrators invaded Kashmir, which led primarily princely state becoming a part of India on the 26th of October 1947. In, res- in response to the invasion, government in the India sent its troops from of the people Kashmir India border of October 27 October 1947. Concurrent of troops posted Jammu and Kashmir was airfield into Srinagar because land route through Pankakot Panthanakot was not in a good condition. On 31st October, the D Company of the Fort Belladon Kumaran regiment under the command of Major Somnath Sharma was also flown into Srinagar. At that time, Somnath Sharma left was blasted, but on being with his company while in combat, he knew that a mission could be very challenging and told his senior officer, I know a better man. I know my men better than anyone else. If they are going to action, they are not going without me. These words highlighted his commitment to his men and his country. arrival in Srinagar, there had been unspotted remote of tribal movement in the village was gone then 5 kilometers away from the Srinagar airport. The village was on a higher altitude than the airfield on and across was through the village inside was important for Indian forces to return control of the area. Federal troops visited supplies by air in reality enemies. Sudden Badgam in small groups of abandoned and 390 the American company included Major Somnath Sharma and Tea Company were instrumental to patrol in access emerging thread and around the village throughout the day. The valley was really silent around afternoon. The company were ordered to return on in the by one the company with an anti-soldier was lost and they were expected to return by 2 p.m. when in the enemy travel. Guerrilla invaders under the command of the Pakistani army saw that only a small group of Indian soldiers were left behind, but they attacked and they their attack was made with a terrorist by Major Somnath and his men. However, Major Somnath currently visualized that first attack was just an attraction. Instead, there are a major attack came from another side by then Major Somnath Sharma and in 1911 in Pakistani invaders then sought the captured airfield around the areas. It was clear to Major Somnath Sharma that had been in Srinagar town in the airfield and Badar Valley and enduring difficult until reinforcement after raising in the air strike. Bravely led on ground panels to guide the aircraft toward the travel, but they are outnumbered the company by almost 7 to 1 in the attack on position occupied by some that many continued vastly outnumbered and facing devastating fire. Most and some Sarma and today reach air was taken and started gunfire, but Major Somnath cut through the struggling element to fight with tenacity and valor. Despite heavy casualty on injuries, Major Somnath Sharma displayed in battle. Bravely, he moved fearlessly through the battlefield, detecting fire, falling magazine of facing gunners, and encouraging his men to hold the ground. However, in the battle, the company began running out of ammunition when Major Somnath Sharma informed Brigade headquarters about this. He was asked to pull back ever of the crowd in situation. He responded with about the enemy is only 50 yards from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I see not withdraw an inch, but the fight to last man than the last round. Just a few minutes later, when he was crouched in a trench next to Mason gun operator in order to help him load the gun, his position was hit by mortar shell, killing him instantly. Despite losing damage and faced with an overwhelming numerical superiority of the enemy and heroic action of late Major Sumner to actions led Somnath Sharma motivated his men and hold on uh, to their position for over 6 more hours before being overrun by the enemy. The brave reached broad time for reinforcement to arrive, including flying in a soldier from Punjab regiment thoroughly demotivated. The enemy caused more than 30 casualties, including injuring their leader. In many significant ways, decombination sacrificed and major Somnath incidents Srinagar for India for Kumaun Vedan was awarded in the Vedan honor. Srinagar Major Somnath and laid down his life for a nation. A young age, 24 for a act and service and impressed imagery. Somnath Sarma was awarded in Paramvir Chakra PVC. His inspiration reflect his heroism, patriotism, and courage. He was the first recipient of PVC awarded posthumously for gallantry and supreme sacrifice. तो आज यहीं तक रहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। आज यहीं तक पढ़ रहे हैं, बाद में बाकी पाठ करें, पाठ 1 है, उसके बाद से कल से पढ़ेंगे तक थोड़ा सा याद बचा हुआ है। यहाँ तक जितना भी वर्ड मिनट्स है सारा का सारा देख लीजिए एक बार। ये रहा, इट इज का मतलब है परमानेंटली फिक्स इन समवन मेमोरी, become a source of inspiration, valor, courage. Infiltrators, people who secretly invaded annexed to take possession of, combat a battle, unfounded, not based on region or facts, usually in a strange, widening, and mysterious way. Outnumber were greater in number, richer, determined, tenacity, determination, unparalleled, unmatched. Magazines, the air containers that hold cartridges to be fed into a gun. Accumulation, the supply of bullet shells and explosives. Sorted, set with needs bent. Conspicuous, noticeable, posthumously after death. आज तक यहीं पढ़ते हैं, उसके बाद में अगला पाठ करेंगे। बाय। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और लाइक भी कर देना, क्योंकि अगर अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करके रखिए। कम से कम 10 सब्सक्राइबर पहले बनाइए।